Hello, I'm Emilio Taylor, founder of Helix. Today, I want to show you a new way to build confidence when applying for jobs using a personalized AI-driven career tool called Gameplan. Let's imagine I'm using LinkedIn and find a job I'm interested in. But instead of clicking apply right away, I want to make sure my resume is aligned with the role. So I increase my odds of success. I copy the link, and now I'm going to switch over to Helix Gameplan. This is the Helix Gameplan dashboard. As you can see, I'm logged in through Central Florida Library, where I access this as a community patron. On the left, I can get started or watch a quick video to guide me. To the right, I can see how many Gameplan credits I've used. This helps track usage across patrons. Below, I can view any jobs I'm tracking, like those I've applied to, awaiting response, or actively interviewing for. Here's my follow-up calendar, helping me stay organized with the tasks like follow-ups and reminders. Gameplan gives me a full picture of where I stand in my job search, what's in progress, and what's next. Let's walk through how I can use Gameplan to prepare for that job I found on LinkedIn. I click Get Started, which launches the Gameplan wizard. I choose my resume. I'll pick from a version that I've previously saved. For the job, I can import, or I can select from a list of jobs I've saved previously as well. Once I'm ready, I simply select Create Gameplan. We've landed on our Gameplan record, and here's where the magic happens. Right now, the resume score is about 50% fit with the role, but let's see how the score improves after we follow the suggested recommendations by the Gameplan. I'll switch to a much more recent version where we applied these changes, and now you can see the score jumps to 70% thanks to keyword and content updates. Let's break down how this works and why it matters. The job fit score is built from 4 dimensions. Relevance and completeness are the skills and keywords included. Evidence and impact. Does it show measurable outcomes? Structure and clarity. Is it easy to read and understand? Distinctiveness. What sets this candidate apart? We also surface transferable skills and show what strengths go beyond just job titles. This gives candidates clarity and direction without needing to be a resume expert. Now we'll move on to the Gameplan tab, your personalized improvement checklist. Here we track every gap, how it's resolved, and even offer suggestions from AI to boost alignment. If I need help refining my skill section, I can click Optimize Keywords with AI. If I want to edit directly, I can click Edit Resume and edit each section individually, or I can ask AI to give me some suggestions, and I'll get those instantaneously. But once all of my changes are made, I can choose Scorecard and rescore your game plan to see how that score will be improved by the changes I've made. Now let's say I've done everything. I've gone through, I've raised my score, I've made edits. Now I can go to the bottom and choose Theme, where I can change the look and feel. I can download with Word or PDF. I can also save this resume as a new copy to reuse later. I can even edit or track my application for this particular role. If I'm happy with everything, now I can go back to click Ready for Apply and apply now. That takes me back to the job that I started with. And that's Gameplan in action. Your resume goes from uncertainty to application ready with the guidance at every step of the way. Now let's switch to the organizational portal where your staff can track how patrons are doing. This is a mock-up of the experience we envision. What we envision would be active patrons using the platform, credits used by patrons, top roles your patrons are targeting, login activity, and we even want to surface patron outcomes. How many people have gotten an interview, an offer, or even gotten hired? We also want to track which features your patrons are using the most, so you can understand what's working and where to offer support. Now, if you're ready to get started, if you're interested in learning more, check your email for a quick intake form. In that form, you'll help us understand what your level of interest is. Provide us with contact information that we can follow up with. What are some of the services that you offer today and how we might be able to align? What are some things that stood out to you in the demo? If you have any questions or concerns, or what's the best time for us to follow up? You can even click on this link to schedule a free discovery call. To give you a heads up, we're planning a Q4 2025 beta launch, and we're looking to finalize beta partners by mid to late August. If Q1 next year is better, we're happy to talk about that as well. Thank you so much for your time and your interest. Again, I'm Emilio Taylor, founder of Helix, and we'd love to partner with you to bring modern AI-powered career planning to our community. Thank you.